Hello guys, so punta kami ngayon sa barbershop para magpa-barber si daddy. Pero ako mga after 2 weeks na kasi okay pa naman siya dahil mas mahal yung barbers ko, 35 and then a $5 tip, so balik 40 siya. Talagang nakakadugo sa ilong. Sa lahat dito may tip, diba? Pero okay din para sa akin dahil nag-work ako sa customer service, sa service area, sa front. So mas maganda din may tip. Pero ganun pa man, same pa rin. Ayan, today is Tuesday. Then later 5 o'clock mayroon namang practice for volleyball. Ano na namin to, parang kagawian na every week merong pa volleyball. Pagkatapos sa Thursday meron din, and then sa I don't know kung sa Thursday meron. Sa Sabado punta kami ng Durham para sa isang tournament, although hindi tayo players, but we're going there to support our team, and then magluluto tayo ng biryani. So let's see, para may support, o diba? Sasama daw si daddy, pero uuwi kami ng maaga dahil may work ko na bukas. Ayan, so ito yung cemetery. In every church may mga cemetery. Yun yung fire like itong Juvenes. O diba? Little River Brooks Field. Okay, so mag-withdraw si daddy dahil magpagupit siya. Where's your other car? This is 1299.
Yep, that one should be there.
I don't know.
It's probably backwards. What was this one? It's been backwards, probably.
No, it should be red.
But when you put it in backwards, it's white.
Yeah.
There. See, there it is.
Ah, okay. So, ayan. Mag-ano siya. Mag-withdraw lang siya ng...
Okay. Go pee.
Yeah. Be careful. So, ayan si daddy. Mag-withdraw siya ng ano. Tapos ako naman pupunta sa tindahan ng Circle K para hingin ng bayad. So, ang ganda dito mag-work kasi friend ko nag-work dito. Okay. So thank you. So,
oh, do you have some ones?
and that's why you should do.
Do you have any ones? I thought you had some ones.
There in the tip.
Oh.
Just ones we should.
So why don't we go by the house and you put 10 in and get 10 ones out? That way,
yeah, sure.
And then we'll go.
Ayan, doon na lang kami sa Great Clips. Kailang mga babaeng dyan, mga barbers, mga babae. Tapos daan kami dito sa Publix. Ayan, sana po.
There you go, that's perfect. Did you ever go to school for
Roy? Cut my hair, messed me up.
I don't know.
Ayan si daddy.
Hello.
Sabi ko sa kanya, dapat mag-ano siya. Yeah. 0, 1, and 2 para matagal kasi ang mahal ng next time ako na siguro ang maggugupit kay daddy. You should buy a clipper. I can do that for you. Ayan, so malaki na lang kinuha naming 10 pounds kasi makakatipid kasi dyan sa 5 pound, tapos ito namang 1-2 pounds tipid to guys. O diba, may bigas na tayo. Fuck it. O diba, nasa 1,000 plus na, tapos isang kainan, kakaloka. Huwag na, oy. Where is it?
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Black chocolate milk?
Diba, nakaka-speaker na naman. Nandun sa may kanto. Ayan, pauwi na kami kasi magbabalibol pa later. Hi. Hindi nakapagantay na sa bahay. Kumain na kami ng donut. I think like a month ago. I never had this. Tapos meron kami milk chocolate. So hindi na ako mag-snack for the game. Diba? Ayan, ito may ano to, may story about this. So ako magdadrive sa ng bahay. 16 minutes lang naman. Sige. Ang daming mga uwak. Oh, maraming uwak. Kalayo na. So, dislagay na tayo. Sundan natin yung Di ba tayo? Okay. So, we're good. Ano nangyari dito? Kasi may stop. Wala, akala ko may accident. Traffic lang talaga. Ayan, dito na kami sa aming community. Ito yung aming community, guys. Dito ako nag-drive dati. O, diba? Tapos, ang ganda. Tapos dito ako nag-walking. Walking.
To rest.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave for 30. Tapos may intersection here. Even there is no car, once you see a diagonal red board and it says stop, you have to stop. So nice. Yeah.
You're excited to be home.
Of course. Then dito naman yung may swimming pool. There's no eye candy.
None.
Yeah, that's dinner.
There's an old eye candy in the hot tub. Yeah, old eye candy. It's been there until the wrappers fell off.
Oh, that was nice here. Yung bahay namin, no, yung bahay namin.
Let's pray for a good
May
result.
flower. Then we're gonna,
What's this good result? Also, somebody got our parking spot. They park close to us.
I'm gonna try to park here. Come on. Come on. Up. It's okay.
Yeah.
And we're here. Okay na yung ano, parking. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Give it back. I'm sorry.
I don't care.
Why didn't you bring this?
Let me,
Did you?
Lock it. Yeah. Okay.
Hold on a sec. Yes. So guys, hello.
What?
I'm vlogging. So ayan. Pupunta na tayo sa ano, sports center para makipag-volleyball na naman. It takes pa 40 minutes ang papunta doon, Kaloka. So hanggang 9 PM pa naman siya. You are bald. Kalbo-kalbo si Daddy. Do you like your hair?
Don't have any hair left.
No. It's good because your hair is gray. So next time I'm gonna cut you. So practicean ko si Daddy.
My Indian ancestors wouldn't like it.
Yeah.
Why? You know why?
Why?
Because you have to have enough hair to catch to scalp someone.
Okay. Ayan, so nandun na si Daddy. At saka nandito na rin ako sa court. Tapos nandun sa dulo ang aming court. Ay, ayun pa si Kuya. Oh. Ay, ayun pa si Kuya. Hi! So, ayan. Wala pang ano, yung mga si Ate Rosa kasi Jillian hindi pa dumating. Oh, diba? Laro-laro lang. So, magiging ano, may mga Amerikanong gusto makipaglaro sa amin. O, diba? Sa isang team din. Ay, naku, kakapagod, no? Sa maghapon, grabe. Shout out ka na, Ate Susan! Hello! Ayan, Ate Susan. Wala, 7 lang kasi kami. Parang ang payat ko today. Payat ba ako? Payat ko. Ayan, yung makabilang ano, mga satellite. O, diba? May ano, may match for today's video. Hala, Arabo talaga siya, oh. Yung Arabo siya. Oo, marag Arabo siya, oh. Ayan, pang tatlong, ano na namin to. Talo. Ayan, diba?
Lagay mo yung mga kanila.
Ayan na. Hoy, wag kang ihulog. Hoy! Galing ni Tatay Jillian. Ayan, kami-kami na lang. Nakakaloka. O, diba? So, sinundot naman ako ni Daddy. Lamang guys, ang aking whole day na ano, gala. So, yeah, you have to try if there's new one. Okay, enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Ay, buti na lang may ano tayo dito. So, may ginawa tayong ano, paksiw na bangus. So, ito yung kakainin natin dahil nagsasain tayo ng bongga. Bakit gano'n? Hindi nasaksak siya. Buti nang na-check ko. Ayan, di ba? Puga tayo today dahil meron tayo bangus. Ayan o. Parang haggard ko today. Di ba? Perfect.